Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Mazda 787B and this is by Hot Wheels. And we did unbox this particular car, I think once or twice. Once I remember that is a STH, I didn't even show that to you guys. So I didn't have this car in this particular color, so I bought it. I wanted to see if they changed anything. So I bought this for MRP, which is 179. A lot of people actually love this particular car, so I thought of reviewing it once again because some people might have subscribed to my channel later on, so I want them also to see a review of this particular car. So you can see the STH version's review as well. So you can just search Mazda 787B STH. You will be able to get that particular review. Okay, here is the card art. The color scheme actually looks nice. Let's see how this actually looks in my hand. Okay, so out of the box, let me be very honest, the color scheme they went with it, that looks really beautiful because it's just glossy white with this kind of sky blue, letterings, Mazda. And here is the livery a little bit. It has a little bit of, you can see there is, the paint is not there, but again this might be say only for me. But let's talk about the rest of the castings. Okay, it has wiper detail here, it has interior detail, and that looks really nice. It has headlight details here, it is painted on, so it is but it is there. And so the body is fully metal including the spoiler here. The chassis is fully plastic. And okay, so it doesn't have any detailing for the tail lights, but it's fine because we have a headlight and the hood detailing here and the paint job on rest of the places, so yeah, we are good. And the casting looks really solid. The livery looks really nice. And this time also they went with two set of wheels here. So I personally don't like this particular set of wheels. They could have went with something else. So the STH version really had a very beautiful set of wheels. I'm happy that I actually got that one. So okay, let's weigh this casting now. Feels heavy, maybe 35 to 40 grams. Okay, 37 grams, close enough. Let's see if this fits in the drag and rolls. Yeah. Excuse. I'm burping a lot. Man, I'm not sleeping for past 2 days and I'm doing all these videos. It is really making me very tired and drowsy. Okay, I think I'm getting hungry now. Okay, so the front wheel wobbles a lot actually. Let's see the rear wheels. The rear wheel also wobbles a lot, but it rolls. I mean, it pitches a lot. I mean, after a long time, I'm seeing casting pitch at least a little bit. Okay, but apart from that, the casting is really good. So let's rate this casting now. So okay, this particular issue is only for my casting. So let's leave that out. But apart from that, it has both wheel wobble and it doesn't roll really well. For that I'm reducing 0.5, so 9.5 out of 10. But apart from that, the casting looks really beautiful. So the paint job, I mean the paint scheme they went with, is really good. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.